I want to talk to you about V-steaming, also known as Yoni steaming. I have the womb herbs that you can take as a tea, and you can also use it in your herbal baths and V-steam. But I have created the bath herbs that specifically for V-steaming. You can also use it for your lotus birth and also an herbal bath. And this V Steam herbal bath is going to include a sea salt blend that's not in my womb herbs. And that sea salt blend is going to help more with cleansing out the vaginal area and the womb area. Now, if you have had a hysterectomy, you still can get a yoni steam. Now, these V steams are really good. I got certified back before it got popular in about 2013. And I learned so much about herbs, so much about feminine wellness. And I know for a fact that this V steam does help with a lot of different things. I have to give my disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. Please consult your physician for medical advice. But the V steam, it may alleviate the symptoms associated with menstrual cramps. If you're having heavy bleeding, it can shorten your cycle. It can also help shrink fibroids, eliminate PCOS, endometriosis, ovarian cysts, uterine polyps, infertility, BV, UTI, STDs, hemorrhoids, low libido, tighten the vaginal walls, and intensify the orgasm. If you have had a hysterectomy or going through menopause, it can still help with the things that you may be, the side effects from those things. The V steam can also help with back pain, incontinence, even constipation and digestion. So if you want to do it at your home, you can get a metal bowl that you're just using for this, not anything that you're cooking with. You'll add about a cup of this, the womb herbs or the herbal bath that I have available on my website, craftswoman.com, or you can also come to me and get a personal V-steam session. And if you want to come to me, I do have an offer. Right now, you can get a free consultation, and I'm open every day from 10 to 8. But if you want to do it at home, if you don't have a V-steam seat, you can use the toilet, and you just put the metal bowl over the water in the toilet, add about a cup of the herbs, and add the hot boiling water to the herbs. And after you add the water, you want to put the toilet seat down to let the herbs steep. It is going to be too hot for you to sit down immediately, so you want to just wait a few minutes until it's cool enough to where it's bearable for you. You don't want it to cool down too much, because the medicine is in the heat, the water, and the herbs coming through the steam. You want to cover yourself with a large towel and put it over your legs so that the steam will not escape. So make sure that you relax. If you want to enhance this healing experience, you can also do womb massages, and you can use any type of oil. I prefer castor oil or some type of natural oil that doesn't have any chemicals in it. And you're going to just sit back and relax, or you can just lean forward and open your legs. But you want to be relaxed. You can also drink the womb tea. Drink about a couple of cups a day, and this will help you to alleviate any issues that you may be having. So this is going to benefit the vaginal area and the womb area. This is an ancient process. This is an ancient practice that's been going on for years. People have been doing it in Africa and the Caribbeans and the South. People who still hold on to their traditions, they still use this method to help with cleansing and toning the uterus and the vaginal area. So I personally recommend it to be done maybe once a month if you're not trying to alleviate anything, but bi-weekly or weekly if you're really trying to get rid of some issue. But please know that vaginal steaming is not just a trend, it's just became popular, but it's an ancient healing method. And herbs heal. We have to always remember that the herbs, the plants, they're here for us to heal our body. If you want to get a womb wellness consultation, you can text me at 214-659-1724. It'll be private and confidential, and there's a follow-up included. So please